Your product started as a clever prototype cut by hand, but now 6 months later, purchase orders are flooding in, and suddenly that same hand-cut process can't deliver parts fast enough. In this video, we will showcase different production methods that you can use to scale up, as well as talk about the warning signs that your current process is holding you back. When moving from manual to advanced converting, there are many options with varying production speeds, tolerance specifications, and quality. Typically, companies either start with manual cutting, often performed by hand for initial prototypes, offering low cost but minimal repeatability, or parts made with a digital knife or tabletop laser can be used for more accurate prototypes. The first throughput upgrade you can make is to a clicker press, which is a hydraulic system using custom dies to punch parts individually. This method is still slow and requires a high level of manual labor to run the press. This is followed by automated flatbed die cutting presses, which process continuous rolls, cut multiple parts per cycle, and substantially reduce labor. Next, if you are looking for high precision or low volume needs, rotary laser cutting provides flexibility without hard tooling. In cases where your design might require tweaking, this method allows you to validate materials and designs before upgrading to larger scale production processes. Fifth, moving into higher volumes, rotary die cutting becomes a great option. This press is capable of continuous, high-speed processes integrating lamination, printing, and waste removal in one pass. Finally, fully automated production is the best of the best when it comes to converting. It incorporates robotic handling, inline packaging, and inspection systems, maximizing efficiency at multi-million unit annual volumes. Automation can be an expensive process, but despite the initial capital investment, these projects typically pay themselves off in just a few years based on the volume that they are outputting. It's common that after time, you will need to upgrade your production process so you can continue to grow and scale your business. Some primary indicators that you are ready to upgrade your production process are if you need to increase production capacity to match demand, you are experiencing constant extended lead times that delay product launches, and you are failing to achieve cost reduction despite rising volumes. When these constraints prevent timely fulfillment or competitive delivery, the process has reached its practical limit. It's also important to remember that upgrading from one converting method to another may take weeks or even months, depending on which processes you are switching from and to. So planning ahead with a converter to avoid wasted time and product is essential. It's easy to start cutting parts by hand, but when you need to start making thousands or even millions of parts, working with an experienced converter is a must. Work with them to plan a structured transition with parallel qualification runs to avoid disruption. Tooling for rotary conversion typically requires 6 to 10 weeks. Full automation may require 6 to 9 months of engineering. By partnering with a converter capable of scaling capacity on demand, companies can upgrade efficiently without large capital investment in equipment while ensuring consistent supply. If you want to learn more about working with a converter, feel free to visit our Learning Center for more information, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.